What type of deed do you need to move a piece of real property into an irrevocable or a revocable trust? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate and trust lawyer, and today I'd like to explain to you how you can move your property into an irrevocable trust if you've decided to put together an irrevocable trust. Well, typically it's going to go one of two ways. You can quitclaim it into the trust, and that would just be a quitclaim deed. And for instance, if you are the owner of the property, or if I'm the owner of the property, it would be Guy DiMartino quitclaiming the property into the Guy DiMartino irrevocable trust. Or if it was a revocable trust, it would say something to the effect like Guy DiMartino quitclaiming it to Guy DiMartino, the trustee of the Guy DiMartino living trust or revocable trust or trust, whatever you want. So it could be a quitclaim deed. Second type of deed that some folks use is what we call a trust deed. And so what a trust deed is, it has a little more information in it. It'll say the name of the trust. It'll say the date of the trust. It'll provide the initial trustees. It'll provide the successor trustees. So it has a little more information in the deed. So if somebody looks at the property record, they'll understand what's going on. So you can transfer the property into an irrevocable trust by a quitclaim deed or a trust deed. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.